Now you can simply uninstall Copilot from your Windows 11 PC. And in this video, I will show you simple steps that will work for both normal users and the IT admin. If you go to your search bar and type settings in the left bar, then go to apps. Then we want to go to installed apps. Here we see the Copilot app, and if you click on these three dots, you will get an uninstall option. Previously, this option wasn't available. The next quick method I want to show you is type control panel in the search bar and then go to uninstall program, and now Microsoft showing Copilot into your control panel so that you could uninstall it. Now, if you are not getting both of these uninstall options, the next quick option I will show you is go to your search bar and type gpedit.msc. Open the group policy editor. Here, we want to navigate to administrative template under computer configuration. Then we want to go to Windows component, and then we want to go to Windows AI. In the Windows AI, you will find an option Remove Microsoft Copilot. Double click on this option. There are some conditions to remove Microsoft Copilot. Is that Microsoft 365 Copilot and Microsoft Copilot both are installed. Microsoft Copilot app was not installed by the user. That should be by default on your computer. And the last is Microsoft Copilot app was not launched in the last 14 days. If this policy is enabled, the Microsoft Copilot app will be uninstalled and user can still reinstall it if they choose to. So I've selected enable and then click OK. Now close the group policy editor and just go ahead and restart your PC and the Copilot app will go away. So that's it about today's quick video on how to uninstall or remove Microsoft Copilot from Windows 11 following the Microsoft built-in methods. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe ITPK and I will see you in the next one.